we are taking some question from mensuration, and a specific this question is taken where a box is given to you. You can see a box is given to you, a cuboidal solid metallic box or metallic block. Okay, let us say if the block is given to you whose dimensions are given and a cylindrical hole of diameter 7 centimeter is drilled out. So let us say if this is the box to you. Okay, if this is the box which is given to you, let me squeeze a little. If this is the box which is looking like this, I have taken a box which is just spare into my home, so that I've taken this box, and through this box the dimension of the box is given to you. This is the same replica of this box. The dimensions are as given to you are 15 centimeter, 10 and 5. So the length is 15, right? The breadth is given to you as 10 centimeter, and the height, this height is given to you, this is the height which is given to you as equal to 5 centimeter. And through this box a cylindrical hole is drilled out. Okay, and what is the the diameter of this cylindrical hole? It is given to you as 7 centimeter, right? This is 7 centimeter. Now what is the surface area of the remaining box after drilling out this hole? Okay, so first of all, you know the surface area of a cylinder of a box, that is, you can see length into breadth into the top, length into breadth into the bottom. So 2 into lb plus 2 into bh plus 2 into lh, like this way, into just this shape here. So you can easily calculate the surface area of the box, metallic block, right? Box or block, I am saying both are same. So the surface area of the box is easily calculated, but you need to understand if a cylinder is drilled out through the box. Okay, so let us say if this cylinder is drilled out, okay, and I'm just cutting this over here. Okay, so you can see some, yeah, it will be a hole like this. It will be hole like this because this cylinder is just cut from this, is just cut from this box. Okay, now you can see whatever the surface area of a given block, that is the total area which you are able to touch it. Okay, so whatever the surface area of the total box, just subtract this cylindrical cylindrical area from that. So just to subtract that, what you need to do, you can just as you have subtracted the cylinder, you just drilled out a cylinder which is into the shape of a hole. Then you can see this cylinder into the top. Okay, this area will be removed from the box, metallic block. Similarly, this will be just drilling and going out through the bottom, you can see over there. Okay, so the same will be removed from the bottom. So the total surface area, the two circles will be removed from the total surface area of this box, that is 2 into lb plus bh plus lh, right, minus area of these two circles. Then what will be added? You can see when you are able to touch the, because when you have drilled it and it's a solid metallic block, right, then you will be able to touch the side walls which of the cylinder which will be just drilling through it, right? Then you will be able to touch it. So the total surface area will be the surface area of the box minus area of these two circles, and then the 2 pi rh, the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay, that need to be added up, right? The curved surface area of the cylinder, which will be just inside this, which will be formed after cutting out this block. After cutting out this block, cylindrical option, you will be able to touch the side walls which will be just into the shape of a cylinder, right? So the 2 pi rh, the curved surface area of the cylinder, will be added along with this box, and these two circles will be, area of these two circles will be subtracted, and will get the final surface area of this metallic block, right? So let me do it let us solve it. Okay, so here you can see the, let me zoom a little. Okay, so the box which is given to you is like this, and 7 centimeter is the dia of this box, right? So you can see the dimensions of this box is given to you. The length is given to you as 15. This is 15, and the breadth as given to you is this one, and the breadth is nothing but 10 centimeter, right? I'm not writing the units over here. So 15 and 10, and the height of this. What is the height? So this is not, the figure is not as per scale, but the height is 5. So you can see length, breadth and height is given to you. This is equal to L, this is equal to B, and this is equal to H, right? Now a cylindrical, a cylinder is drilled out through this, a cylinder is just drilled out through this metallic block, right? Now you can see what I just shown you. This area will be, this two area will be removed from the surface area of the block, right? So we can say that, let me use a different pen. Okay, so the total surface area will be equal to, just take the area of block, solid block, right, which will be like just like a shape of a cuboid, minus area of the two circles, area of the two circles which I have shown, which I have just subtracted from this, which is just removed from this top. You can see this will be removed. After removing, you can see this portion is vacant, right? So that's why this will be removed, right? So when you remove it, then you can say that pi area of circle will be removed. That's why it's minus. And how much such circles? This will be two such circles will be removed, because you can see, if this was the box, right, if this was the box and this was the circle which is removed, so since you have removed it, this area you are not able to see, right? So that's why we have subtracted it over here, and this will be removed from the top of the from the top of the box, and even at the bottom, right? So that's why we have taken 2 times the area of the circle which is removed, and then what is added? The added is this portion, this one, this one, right? Because since you have drilled it, right, then when you just insert your hand, you are able to touch this, you are able to touch the walls of this cylindrical hole, right? Then what we will do, we will just add, we will add what? Then we will add the curved surface area of the cylinder, then we will add the curved surface area of hole, which is into the form of a cylinder, right? So let us solve it. So the area of block is nothing but, the area of block is nothing but 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, right? This is the area of the block, complete block, solid block, because L into B, one surface, another surface, and third surface, total 6 surfaces. So that's why 2 into LB, 2 into BH, 2 into LH, minus area of these two circles which are removed, right? So area of the two circles removed, that is area of the two circles, that is minus 2 times those two circles. So what is the area of those circles? Area of those circles is pi into r square. What is pi r square? Pi r square is pi, and here you can see the radius as given to you is equal to, diameter is 7 to you, given to you, you can see. So radius will be 7 by 2. So it will be 7 by 2 whole square. So this will be 2 pi into 7 by 2 whole square will be subtracted, and after that this curved surface area of hole, what is the curved surface area of hole? that will be added. So curved surface area of hole is nothing but 2 pi r h. This is the surface area which you are able to touch here. If you just insert your hands through the box, if you just insert your hands through the box, then you would be able to touch it like this. Okay, the curved surface area, right? So that will be additional area which will be added. That's why 2 pi rh is the curved surface area of a cylindrical hole. So 2 into pi into r. What is r? R is nothing but 7 by 2, right? Because you can see 7 is the diameter given to you, into h. What is the height? Height is just same as the height of this block, so this will be 5. Just solve it to get the, just solve it to get your answer. This is nothing but, I'm writing it, this is nothing but 2 pi r h. This is the CSA of cylinder, right, which is added. Now just solve it. When you solve it, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, so this will give you 2 times L into B, that is 15 into 10. So this which will be coming as 150 plus B into H, that is 10 into 5, that is 50, plus L into H, the 15 into 5, that is 75. So this is the, this will be the curved or the total surface area of the block, right, minus area of the circle, that is 2 into pi into 7 by 2 whole square, right? Then this 2 pi r h, the curved surface area of the cylinder which is inserted. Okay, you can see this is inserted because you just drilled it out. So this portion is removed. So then you will be able to touch the walls of this from the inside of the block when you put your hands, and you will be able to touch the walls of the back end cylinder, right? So this will be equal to, this will be equal to 2 pi r h. So 2 pi, and r is 7 by 2 and h is 5, right? So when you solve it, when you solve it, you can see 150 plus 50 is 250, 250 plus 75, 250 plus 75, you can tell me. 250 plus 75 is 325, right? 15, 10 and 5 were the length, breadth and height. So 15 into 10 is 150, B into H was 50, right? And L into H was 75. So this will be coming as 150 plus 50, 250, 150 plus 50, 200, 200 plus 75, 275 into 2. So that will be coming as 550, right? That is coming as 550, right? And from 550, the subtract the area of the circle. So you can see 2 pi can be taken plus 2 pi can be taken as common, and inside we have, and even we can take 7 by 2. You can here see here 7 by 2 and 7 by 2, and inside the bracket we have minus 7 by 2 plus 5, right? So this will give you, this will give you this 550 as it is, plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 2 5 10 minus 7 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So here you can see 7 and 7 will be cancelled out, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out, right? And this 2 will cut this 22 into 11 times, right? So 11 into 3 is 33, 11 into 3 is 33. So we get it, we get the 550 added with this 11 into 3, that is 33. So we get the total surface area of this cylindrical block when a of this rectangular block, cuboidal block, where a boring is done, where cylinder is removed, and the total surface area is coming to us as 583 centimeter square. So this is the area, this is the area, this is the area of, this is the area of the box, 583 centimeter square. 583 centimeter square is our answer. 583 centimeter square is just coming from how many things? This will be the area of block. So this will be coming from area of the block. What is the area of this block? This is a shape of a cuboid. So this will be 2 into 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So that is LB plus BH plus LH, right? This is for the box. So from this two circles are removed. Okay, these circles. So that means we need to remove. That's why a minus will be there, and we remove the area of the two circles, which is equal to the top and bottom, which is shown in red. So that means the surface area of two circles will be removed. That is 2 times pi r square. These are for the circles. These are for the circles, right? Then you need to add the curved surface area of the cylinder, which you are just able to touch it. When you are just able, when you can see this, you are able to touch the curved surface area. Okay, because this is drilled out. This is drilled out. Then you can insert your hand. You can touch the side walls of this block. So this is just into the shape of a curved surface area of a cylinder, right? So you can just, after this you need to add the curved surface area of the cylinder. So for that, what you need to do, that is curved surface area of the hole, that is 2 pi rh. This one, when just insert your hand, you can touch the wall, right? So that is 2 pi r h. So h will be the just height of the box, the metallic block, right? So 2 pi r h will be added with the total surface area of this cuboidal solid block and metallic block, and from that two cylinder will be removed, right? Two circles will be removed, and in this way we got the final answer, and the answer which is coming to us is 583 centimeter square. So this is the, in this way we have solved this question, students. Thank you so much for watching. Be connected. Take care. Bye bye. See you. So I hope you find, so how the things happen, you understand. If this is the solid cylindrical block, okay, if this is the solid cylindrical block from which I have just drilled a hole, okay, and just penetrated through the bottom of this block, and from the bottom again a circle is coming out, as it happens at the top. So in this way two circles will be removed, which is the area of these two circles which is removed from the total surface area of the box. And after that 2 pi rh, the curved surface area of the cylinder, with the wall of the cylinder, which you are just able to touch it, when you just insert your hands through the hole of this box, right, which is cylindrical in shape. Now you get the, that is 2 pi rh. So when you just do this simple calculations, you just get the answer is 583 centimeters square for the given question. Thank you so much for watching, students. Take care. Be connected. Bye bye. See you.